Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cape Tormentine is a small coastal community in southeastern New Brunswick, located in Westmoreland County along the Northumberland Strait. Although only a small number of people now live here, the community has played a much larger role in Canadian transportation history than its size might suggest. The surrounding landscape is made up of salt marshes, sandy beaches, forests, and open coastline, giving the area a distinctly maritime character. Cape Tormentine is about 60 kilometers east of Sackville and sits at one of the closest points on the mainland to Prince Edward Island. Long before European settlement, the region was used by the Mi'kmaq, who traveled the coast for fishing, hunting, and trade. French explorers named the area during the early 1700s, with the dramatic tides, strong winds, and rough waters helping inspire the name Tormentine. Following the Acadian period, British settlement gradually expanded, and farming, fishing, and shipbuilding became important parts of the local economy during the 1800s. Cape Tormentine became nationally important with the arrival of the railway. In 1886, rail service reached the community, allowing passengers and freight to connect with ferries traveling across the Northumberland Strait to Prince Edward Island. For more than 100 years, Cape Tormentine served as one of Canada's busiest transportation gateways, with trains arriving directly at the ferry terminal and carrying both passengers and rail cars across the water. A major change came in 1997 with the opening of the Confederation Bridge. The bridge provided a permanent road connection between New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island, replacing the ferry service that had operated for generations. As traffic shifted to the bridge, located a few kilometers west of Cape Tormentine, the community's role as a transportation hub came to an end. While this marked the close of an important chapter in local history, it also transformed the area into a much quieter coastal community. The coastline surrounding Cape Tormentine is an important natural feature. The Northumberland Strait is known for having some of the warmest saltwater temperatures in Canada during the summer. Salt marshes provide valuable habitat for migratory birds and other wildlife, while nearby beaches and coastal roads offer wide views across the water toward Prince Edward Island. The changing tides continually reshape the shoreline, creating an ever-changing coastal landscape. The nearby Confederation Bridge has become one of Atlantic Canada's most recognizable landmarks. Stretching nearly 13 kilometers across the Northumberland Strait, it is the longest bridge in the world crossing ice-covered waters. Although the bridge is located just west of Cape Tormentine, the community remains closely connected to its history as the original mainland gateway to Prince Edward Island before the bridge was built. Housing in Cape Tormentine remains among the most affordable in New Brunswick. Because of the community's small size and rural location, relatively few homes are sold each year. In recent years, detached homes have commonly sold for between $150,000 and $250,000, although prices vary depending on the property's size, condition, acreage, and proximity to the waterfront. Larger waterfront homes or properties with significant land can command higher prices. Today, Cape Tormentine is valued for its coastal scenery, rich transportation history, and peaceful rural setting. While it no longer serves as Canada's gateway to Prince Edward Island, its role in connecting the country for more than a century remains an important part of New Brunswick's story.
Thanks for watching!